If you love life, don't waste time, for time is what life is made up of. Don't fear failure, not failure, but low aims is the crime. In great attempts, it is glorious even to fail. A wise man can learn more from a foolish question than a fool can learn from a wise answer. Adopt what is useful, reject what is useless, and add what is specifically your own. Do not pray for an easy life, pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. Notice that the stiffest tree is most easily cracked, while the bamboo or willow survives by bending with the wind. If you spend too much time thinking about a thing, you will never get it done. If you don't want to slip up tomorrow, speak the truth today. Always be yourself, express yourself, have faith in yourself. Do not go out and look for a successful personality and duplicate it. As you think, so shall you become. I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. To anticipate the outcome of the engagement, you ought not to be thinking of whether it ends in victory or defeat. Let the nature take its course, and your tools will strike at the right moment. The key to immortality is first living a life worth remembering. Be happy but never satisfied. I am not in this world to live up to your expectations, and you are not in this world to live up to mine. All fixed set patterns are incapable of adaptability or pliability. The truth is outside all fixed patterns. Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. Showing off is the fool's idea of glory. Knowledge will give you power, but character respect. Having no limitation as limitation. To hell with circumstances, I create opportunities. The more we value things, the less we value ourselves. Do not pray for an easy life, pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. The most dangerous person is the one who listens, thinks, and observes. The possession of anything begins in the mind. Thanks for watching this motivational course, Bruce Lee course. Do subscribe to my channel.